Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello good people, I'm Restu from 3A Heavy Equipment. I would like to say thank you for coming and joining all of you in this presentation. I hope that what I have to say can be useful for all us. On occasion of today, I will explain or present about track type tractor. Okay my friend, to make it easier to understand about track type tractor, I have divided this presentation into several parts. First of all, we will talk about use of track type tractor. The second, we will discuss about the main component on triple T or track type tractor. The third is about work tool on track type tractor. And the last, closing. Okay, without lingering any longer, we will go straight to the presentation material. Okay, uh, track type tractor is a machine that is widely used for earth moving application. This machine is perfect for getting high yield in the closing proximately. The ability to push and operate on slopes activates it where other equipment cannot normally reach it. Okay, next, uh, capability and use of track type tractor. Track type tractor capability. First, able to push and operate on slopes. Second, able to operate in place that cannot reach by other type of equipment. Third, able to work in various type of weather condition. Next, use of track type tractor. First, to spare the material, make a path. 3. Knock down trees and remove the mound. Okay guys, now I'd like to move on to main component in track type tractor. In order for a track type tractor to work properly, it is necessary to have a series of components that transmit power from the power source, which includes speed, torque, and directional control mechanism. The components of the work together include the engine, torque converter, transmission, differential, and final drive. First, we will talk about the engine. The engine is power production component according to the load carried by the machine. Next, go to the torque converter. The power from the engine is transmitted to the torque converter. Torque converter is a component that functions to multiply torque so that the engine speed can be converted into high torque to do work. Next, transmission. From the torque converter, the power is passed on the transmission. The transmission is a component that functions to regulate speed, torque, and direction of rotation. Next, brake. Brake is a component that functions to reduce speed and stop machine movements. The last, final drive. The final drive is the final power continuation component to the track assembly. Final drives reduce speed and increase torque. Okay, next, I like to move on to the work tool on track type tractor. First, we will talk about blade. The function of the blade is penetrates and pushes the machine to be moved and is attached to the front of the track type tractor. In the second, we have ripper and winch. The ripper is used to break hard soil or rock layer so that it can be pushed, loaded onto truck, or picked up using a scraper. A winch is an additional piece of equipment that can be installed behind a track-type tractor which function to pull logs in the forest application. And the last, machine equipment with wheels drive are often immobile in muddy terrain and soft ground conditions. Therefore, a machine is made the use a track instead of a wheel, so that the machine can operate even in muddy terrain conditions. Well, I think that's all my presentation about track type tractor. I want to thank you once again for allowing me to speak to you. And see you again. I'm Rustam Maulana. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.